How to make CV using ChatGPT. To create a CV using ChatGPT, first open your browser on your PC or laptop, whether it is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Brave browser. Next, click the search bar at the top and search for ChatGPT. Once loaded, click the first link in the pop-up. And here, log in your account or create one if you don't have one. Now start by entering a prompt like make a resume for me in LaTeX using an appropriate template, along with your personal details, work experience, education, and skills. ChatGPT will generate LaTeX code for your CV. Next, go to overleaf.com, sign up using Google, and create a new blank project. Name it anything you like. Copy the LaTeX code from ChatGPT and paste it into the project. Click Recompile to generate the CV. When it's ready, click the download icon to export this as a PDF. And that's how to make a CV using ChatGPT. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.